Why are policies and procedures and business practices, best business practices, important for a law firm in order for being to be important for the results, the end results, the optimal results for a client? Hi, my name is Bob Bianchi. I'm a partner at the Bianchi Law Group. This video is intended for those who have given us the honor of referring cases to us, both lawyers and non-attorneys, and for individuals who may be coming into the Bianchi Law Group as new clients. When I was the county prosecutor, a great honor, appointed by Governor back in 2007 with the full consent of the Senate, I wound up inheriting an office that had a lot of moving pieces, lots of people, multi-million-dollar budget, lawyers, detectives, sexual assault nurse examiners, administrative staff, secretarial and clerical staff, lots of people. As the chief law enforcement officer of the county, there's a lot of moving pieces from municipal court to superior court, from murder cases all the way down to a municipal ordinance that were under my jurisdiction. And I gained the greatest appreciation for policies and procedures during that period of time. In fact, I went and made major efforts to get us what they call CALIA certified. That is a gold standard, so that the office could now say that it is now following the gold standard in every single facet of the prosecutor's office. Why did I do that? Well, I just knew that it would lead to optimal results and that all the oars would be in the boat in the same direction as they were rowing to accomplish a result at the end that would be optimally attained, easier attained, better attained, more consistent with those policies and procedures. With that knowledge, when I joined or started the Bianchi Law Group with my partner, Dave Bruno, it was essential, and we knew it was important to have policies and procedures in our law practice on every facet of our law practice. From the minute a call comes in, to the minute that our intake people are handling, to the minute one of our attorneys is on with a potential new client, to the minute that that client is onboarded into our office, and the whole process that occurs with the paralegals and the legal assistants and the attorneys all working in unison with one another so that they're not replicating the wheel over and over again, that they're doing things consistently pursuant to policies and procedures, both in the business aspect of the law firm as well as its operations. Policies and procedures are crucial to ensure optimal performance, and that everybody, from myself to the lawyers handling the case, down to the support staff person, all know the way the case is supposed to be prepared for optimal results. I can't say or stress enough that just winging it, shooting from the hip, is ill-advised when you have the life of another person in your hands, where the consequences could potentially be a prison sentence, could be their liberty, their family, their jobs, their reputation, and all the other collateral consequences that come with being charged with a crime or being accused of domestic violence or being a victim even of domestic violence or handling a case in municipal court. I want to thank you for the support of the Bianchi Law Group. For those clients who are watching this video, please understand how honored we are to represent you, and understand you don't just have a team of former prosecutors that are behind you, but you have an entire team that meets 3 times a week and goes over your cases. And not only to make sure we have policies and procedures that are consistent and clear and drive optimal results, but that we're all discussing, debating, and leveraging our talents to get you the optimal result. And for those lawyers and non-lawyers who refer cases, and understand that that's important, that your belief in us, in the reputation of the Bianchi Law Group, the skills that we have, and that you would entrust us to refer somebody to us is also a great honor and a great responsibility. So I did this video because I think it's important. Unfortunately, I'm beginning to find that we've gotten to a place where there's some great marketing, and there's some great sales, and there's some great courses on how to market, how to sell. But to my colleagues that are out there, I hope one also understands that, more importantly, at the end of the day, it's about the third aspect of the business that counts the most when you're an attorney or a doctor or a professional that is handling things that affect the lives of other people. And that's about driving optimal results. And optimal results come from policies, procedures, customs, and practices, and ways of doing things in a consistent and organized way so that everybody is working in the same direction to achieve an optimal result. Thanks. Appreciate your support.